Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will show you how to remove the outer door handle on a Porsche Cayenne 955. It's like on the most Audi and Volkswagen. You have to open the door, and then you see here a cap. This has to be removed, and then there is a little screw inside. This is a T15. And here you have to watch that this little metal piece not snap over this bolt. I think this should be enough. Now we can remove this thing. The best way to do this is with a plastic thing or something. I don't have right now, so I use my screwdriver. So this is out. Now we have the pull cable. This is only a little plastic thing. Now you can pull it back. And then it comes off. If you have to remove the back plate of it, then it's a little bit difficult, because I show you here. You have to remove the complete panel on the back. Unclip these plastic rests. One and two. This is also a T15. Now you can pull it out. Okay. Why I show you this? You see this is loose, and normally it have to be a little bit tighter. What can be the problem? You see this piece, the pull cable sits right there. I have a door lock here, and this snaps in here and is holding by this plastic cap thing. You see? Maybe these are loose sometimes, or on this piece this spring is broken. Not on this piece, but it can be. Maybe this piece breaks off, or one of these, and then it's loose like this. This is it for today. If you like what you see, please subscribe and share the videos. And We'll see us in the next video. Bye.